The question I get a lot of times is, well, and I see it on all kind of mainstream media, is like, okay, housing is unaffordable and it keeps getting unaffordable. Well, yesterday we had the housing equivalent rents, and they're up 3.8% year over year. Readings a couple months ago were like flat. So I'm going in this and saying, okay, how is this? Because if you look at it, let's look at what's your home prices doing in your area. Flat? Maybe up a little bit. I keep battling with the home crashers saying it's going to be Armageddon everywhere. So let's just say home prices are up a little bit, 2-3% a year. Okay. But mortgage rates in 2023, they were 8.2%. So you had 8.2% rates then. You have 6.5% rates now. How can payments be still unaffordable? I just did a blog and it actually breaks it down for us. So if you go down through here, home prices from 2023 to now are up 7% in 3 years. Okay, is that 2% a year, 1.5% a year? Not bad. Rates then were 8%. Now 6.5%. So you would think, okay, house prices really didn't move. Rates came tumbling down. So what is it? Well, your taxes and your homeowner's insurance. These are one of the biggest culprits of it. So some areas saw massive tax increases. I live in Chicago. Guess what happens to our taxes every year? Mine actually only went up $970 this year. So that increases this. Homeowner's insurance, well, before you really dive into buying a house, make sure you check with your homeowner's insurance, because that is one huge piece of the puzzle that also makes housing in some areas unaffordable. So if you look at it, home prices aren't really skyrocketing. Some areas they're down. Mortgage rates are down. So how is housing still unaffordable? Well, we did a comparison right through here and it actually breaks it down. The difference between then and now, we had that house. Remember, people kept saying housing market's crashing. Well, it 1.5% a year. You are getting some appreciation there. So you got about 30,000 in appreciation, believe it or not. And then you go down through here, but the biggest culprit is right through here. Average property taxes are up and the homeowner's insurance is up as well. So making that housing payment virtually the same even when the rates come tumbling down.